This light doesn't work, and inside it gives the complaint that the half light or the low beam doesn't work. It says in Swedish, I'm translating in English. So this is the one here. With the Volvo, it's very easy. Unlike any other car, the Volvo is the easiest one to remove the headlight. There are two clips that you need to pull up, and remember, this metal side goes inside when you put them back, so don't forget that. Two, and now the light is free. So let's see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, that's also another thing about Volvo. You can remove the headlight with one hand. Don't get me embarrassed. Yes. Not really one hand. You need to use a little bit of two hands, and then you can remove. Let's put it up here. So you can work from here, or you can remove this and then work on the bench, which is easy. Otherwise, this can fall or break, which you don't want. So let's see how this works. Maybe I need a screwdriver. Let's see. So here inside you need to put the screwdriver in and press it down, and then, because I couldn't do it with one hand camera, so there is this thing that you will see. You need to press it down and then it will come out. So now the light is out. Then you need T20 Torx to open these 4 screws. So let's start with the first one, 2, 3, 4. Sorry if working with one hand, and then you just pull it out. Yes. And then the next step is to remove this one, and here is your Xenon light. I will talk about it. Which one do you buy? But this is a Xenon, not a normal halogen bulb. So when you order a new one, you need to see this number. This is D3. This is D3S. You can search with this number. This is Osram brand, but there might be other brands. So open your headlight, check the number, order the correct part, and then install. Or if somehow you know already, you can order. But this is a Xenon headlight. So now I need to remove this plug. Yeah, it is like you have to lift this this top part up with your finger, but be gentle. Or you can actually, yeah, you can actually press this one here, and you know it moves. So be careful with this wire, so this will come out. Then press this and pull it out. And now there is this plastic thing that you need to move like this, and hopefully this should come out easily. Yes, just wiggle it around. It should come out. Yeah, you can see if this center part, it's you see that it's milky, so that means it's blown. Yeah, I'm sure now after I've seen it. I've ordered D3S 6000K. So you know, this is color temperature. There's 4300, 6000, 8000, maybe 5000. So I'm changing both so that the color is same and light quality is same. But if you don't want to order both, you need to check which color that one is and order that one. If it's normal yellow, it's 4300K. If it's blue, then it's 5000 or 6000K. If it's very blue, then it's 8000. So if you're changing one, be sure to check what the other color is, otherwise it won't be a nice light. Here's the new light. It says 6000K Xenon D3S, and this is how it looks. We can compare. Do not touch the bulb. I repeat, do not touch the glass and this part, because there will be static charge, some grease from your hand. So here you can compare the both. Here it's the milky one, here it's non-milky less milky one. I hope this works. It's not the most expensive one that I've ordered, but I've read that it's good. Let's put this in the correct direction. Be careful not to touch it anywhere. Go in, and I'm sure it was like that. Push it in the fingers, and if this goes in all the way, and if it sits straight, then you need to turn this, then you're good. Let me try it with two hands, and then I'll show you. Put both your fingers in, one here and one here, and then try to turn it like this, and then you're good. Last thing, you need to connect this wire, and then you're good to go. Good to try it. It's impossible to work with one hand. Ta-da! Now this is in. Now I can put the lid back, or try it first. Before putting the lid back, I will connect it and try it first. If everything works, then I can connect the lid. I don't want to put it up there hanging, so that when I start it shouldn't fall down. So I just put it in place, not put all the clips in. Now let's start and see. So this is how it finally looks. I think it's slightly blue in color. This one as well, slightly blue in color, which is what I wanted. It's not LEDs. There are latest ones, expensive ones, which are LED. And all that is left to do is push it all the way back in. Make sure it's all aligned, and then push the clips in. I think one is smaller, one is bigger. The bigger one in length goes here on the back side. I think the bigger one goes here in the back side. A little bit of wiggling that you need to do. So now this headlight is done. Let's do the same for the other side, and I will show you the final result, and then we'll say bye. They are not straightforward to change, but not that difficult to change. I think I need to polish this headlight to look like this one. So if you have any comments, any questions, how to change this light, how to select the xenon light, write in comments. Until then, have a nice day, have a nice evening. Bye.